Hello and welcome to this video demonstrating how water pH can affect brewing. We previously explained the theory and principles behind this in a video that was published in late 2017. This explained how each of the major elements in water can influence brewing. We are now demonstrating this in practice. The demonstration is straightforward. Each bottle here contains either a 12 gram or a 1.2% solution of bicarbonate soda, which creates a basic solution. There is a 1.5% solution of citric acid to create an acidic solution. The neutral bottle is distilled water. This gives a pH of 8.6, 7.0 and 2.9. Half a teaspoon of high ethanol tolerant yeast is added to this and 50 grams of sugar. A basic airlock and balloon to catch escaping gases was added. The design prevents ethanol production from inhibiting yeast or flocculation by using a high tolerance strain and plenty of sugar for a 72-hour design. In practice, this led to a faster fermentation of the sugar in the acidic solution. The neutral solution had a slightly more pronounced lag. What was surprising is that the basic solution had almost no fermentation occur. This can be seen in this graph and in the way each airlock behaved, further reinforced by the differences in volume of CO2 produced. This directly correlates with the loss of weight in the bottle through fermentation. This example is not to say that an acidic or neutral pH is always desirable. In beer, a slightly basic pH of about 5.5 is good. This is because many of the ingredients contain phosphate. Acid helps to buffer these. The process of mashing the various grains and sugars that will be used in beer production releases phosphate buffers, which trend towards a pH of 5.6. Whether it is above or below this is irrelevant, as a buffer will try to maintain a particular point. If you were to try and brew very specialized beers, you would need to worry more about the pH and water you are using. For most people, there is no need to worry overly much about adjusting pH. However, understanding the effect this simple but minor demonstration has is important if you are looking to expand your repertoire or use different ingredients and methods. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it interesting, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please post any comments, questions, or suggestions below.